Hello everyone, welcome to Meticulous Business Plans. Starting a new business is a huge decision for anyone. A person is very cautious while taking any such decision since it involves determined passion, life goals, motivation along with time, money, and sincere efforts. This 1,000-mile journey should be started in its best possible way and in the right direction, because number of people do start a business thinking of their idea being the most innovative, but only a few succeed. According to the findings of a survey by the Institute of Business Value and Oxford Economics, 90% of Indian startups fail within the first 5 years. One of the major reasons behind this has been the lack of market research. Experts suggest that every business needs to perform market study at every stage, and especially before starting a new business, because it is a guide, a tool, a roadmap which gives all the crucial information about and for your business to survive in the early funding years and grow rapidly in the later phases. It helps to understand the business feasibility, that whether it is possible to start a business at present conditions or what factors should be more focused on. Therefore, before starting your business, these are the few things that one must study in detail about. Customers. Since customer is king, you need to identify and understand your target customers, their demography, behavior, and psychography. Competitors. Your business will be competing with a large number of existing and upcoming players in the industry, and thus you must understand different strategies and techniques to be able to deal and outnumber them. Collaborators. Business works effectively with number of good collaborators that can assist and help your company. These can be your partners, investors, suppliers, or distributors. Research will help you understand who is needed at what phase of the process. Climate. Climate includes internal and external environment of the company. This can be understood by using various analysis tools like SWOT analysis, pestle analysis, etc. Product testing. Before launching a product, A/B testing needs to be done, as it gives insights from potential customers' point of view, and you can check what features customers would want. Also, this can be helpful for determining the pricing strategy for your product. Marketing and advertising. By understanding what attracts and appeals the customer more to buy the product, acts as a key to maximize selling. Spending on market research is increasing globally as companies want detailed information that can help them to improve efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness of its business operations. Present businesses are operating in VUCA world, that is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. To be able to cope with ever-changing market, research is necessary, as the more accurate data, the more chances of being successful. With the help of good market research, you can easily take business decisions, set better goals for your business, lower business risk, spot better business opportunities. So get market research done before starting your business or taking any business step. And if you are looking for assistance, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plans. Our contact details are provided in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for interesting business ideas, startup procedures, business opportunities, and much more. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.